Hurricane season is here, and for the past several years, we have experienced record-breaking tropical activity.
Tonight, Fox 26 meteorologist Lena Maria Arango is digging deeper into what we can expect from now through the end of November.
Hurricane season has arrived, and for the past several years, we've experienced record-breaking tropical activity. Last week, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, also known as NOAA, released their outlook for this year. Here's what we can expect.
We just experienced two extremely active hurricane seasons, marking the first time on record that two consecutive hurricane seasons exhausted the list of 21 storm names.
And this year, NOAA is calling for yet another active season. This in the wake of 2020, which was the most active year on record, and 2021, which was the third. It would make for the seventh consecutive season above normal. The 2022 outlook calls for 14 to 21 named storms of at least tropical storm strength, 6 to 10 hurricanes with at least Category 1 classification, and 3 to 6 major hurricanes, which are considered Category 3 or above. The ranges account for the uncertainties that come with long-range forecasting. But if we end up on the low end of the outlook, we would make it through at least the N name on the list, which this year is Nicole. If we end up on the high end of the range, we would exhaust the 21 names for the third year in a row, making it all the way down to Walter. As a reminder, the Greek alphabet will no longer be used as a backup, so in the event that this year's list is exhausted, here is the new list of subsidiary names that we would dip into in the event that we see more than 21 named storms.
We're seeing these storms happen more frequently. They're lasting longer.
The expected increase in activity this year is being driven by several key factors. First, a recurring La Nina pattern. Second, Atlantic sea surface temperatures are warmer than usual, which is fuel for storms. And lastly, an active West African monsoon season, which supports stronger waves exiting the coast of Africa, historically known for supporting long-lived, intense storm formation.
We want to be able to make sure that we are putting personnel, commodities, and equipment in place before the storm hits, so we are ready to respond and support the communities that may have been impacted by the storm.
Mitigation strategies that are becoming easier thanks to improvements made to forecasting. The cone of uncertainty has gotten significantly smaller over time. Since 2000, NOAA reports a 57% improvement in 72-hour track error. Changes in intensity are also able to be identified sooner, with 40% less error since 2000. This thanks in part to the addition of DROPSONDE and Hurricane Hunter flight data into model runs, along with NOAA tripling their computer power to allow for overall better modeling. These improvements can help pinpoint areas most at risk sooner, allowing for more efficient evacuation of zones.
We are encouraged by the continued coordinated efforts of federal, regional, state, city, and local partners to rescue, recover, and rebuild after these events, and as equally important, develop hazardous weather planning and mitigation efforts ahead of the next, which will ultimately lead to a more weather and climate-ready nation.
Whether it's an above-average, normal, or quiet season, it only takes one storm to cause devastating damage. And that storm doesn't even necessarily need to be a hurricane to do so. Plan and prepare accordingly, and your Gulf Coast Weather Authority will be here to guide you through it every step of the way. For Fox 26 Houston, I'm meteorologist Lena Maria Arango.